Why are you asking this?
Because I want to know.
This is a figment of your imagination.
Figment of my imagination? I do not want to believe that this dream lingers on.
Dream? What dream?
What are you doing here?
I have come to ask for your forgiveness.
I do not want to hear you speak. Go home to your father.
I am sorry.
You are sorry. Do you know what your madness has put me into today? I was caused by that old drunken woman at Oduko's house.
Look, I know what we can do to reverse the course.
Go home to your father. I don't want to talk to you. It cost me a lot already.
Greetings, Ini.
You're welcome, my daughter.
Thank you.
You are not from this village.
I am from Anupa.
Yes. Your people are known for their beauty. But yours is beyond words. It is astonishing. Yes.
Thank you, Ini. Thank you.
You're welcome, my daughter. Obi, get her a seat. Let her sit down.
Mother, she does not need a seat.
I need a seat. I want to sit down, Mother.
Nne, please sit.
Thank you, Ini. Sit.
I want to have a moment.
I will not let you stay here.
Where did you see this beautiful lady?
But she told you herself she's from Anupa.
How did you meet her? If you bring this kind of woman home, I wouldn't mind giving you all my support. At least Wanda and her daughter Ulima will stop tormenting your life.
Mother, nobody's tormenting my life. Please let me go and continue what I was doing.
Then go and get her something to eat.
She does not need food.
Hey.
Can I have some water, please?
Drink and go home.
Nne.
My daughter.
I have to go now.
You want to go now?
Yes.
Obi, go and see her off.
Mother, she did not say she wanted me to see her off.
Obi, I want you to see me off.
My daughter, greet your mother for me.
I will. Thank you so much, Ini.
You're welcome, my daughter.
Obi, do you realize I am a woman and I need to be understood?
I don't have time to understand it, Chief.
Stop calling me that! What is wrong with you? Who do you think you are? Do you know the daughter of whom I am? Or is it because I'm crawling and begging for your forgiveness? Who is your father?
Are you talking to me like that? Is this how corny you could be? By making me feel guilty after you have stolen from me? I I guess you know you will. Please go.
You not to walk out on me. No one walks out on me. Men like you bow and crawl at my feet when I walk past in Anopa.
This is not Anopa.
You are a lunatic.
Don't let me rest my hand on you.
Well, I am not done talking to you. I am not done talking to you.
What is wrong with you?
What are you scared of? You're scared of falling in love with me?
I do not love you. I can never love a rude and proud woman like you.
Obi.
Let me go. Leave me alone. Don't let me push you.
Stop behaving like a child, Obi.
Let me go.
Come on, Obi. I love you, Obi. I am madly in love with you, can't you see?
I knew it. I knew you were this cheap.
Well, you started being cheap first. Yes, you started being cheap from the very first day you laid your eyes on me. Obi, I love you very much. I am caught up in your web of love and it holds me firmly.
I don't care if you've fallen in love with the gods before. Let me go. Don't let me push you into the bush.
Well, push me. Push me, Obi, and prove to me that you're a woman beater. But...
Where you go, I will wait. My heart will stay.
Go, let's go.
Forever I will wait. Crazy love, strange feeling. I will dance, Memuna.
My waist! Hey! My waist!
What happened to her? Eh?
My waist!
Wait. Let her lie down here.
Hey!
Lie down here. Take it easy. Obi, go in and get some hot water. Fast. Sorry, fast.
Yes. Where is my daughter?
She's not in her hut, my lord.
And where did she tell you she was going to?
She said she was going for a walk.
Why didn't you go with her? Eh?
I was making your soup, my lord.
Now go to her maternal home and look for her there.
Yes, my lord.
Hurry up.
What exactly happened to her?
It was an accident.
Accident? What type of accident? Did she jump down from a hill or from on top of a tree?
But I pushed her.
You pushed her? Ha, Obi. When would you learn to control your temper?
It was an accident.
Stop saying that. Now tell me, what do we tell her people when they come looking for her? Tell me. Look at what you did.
Mother, I'm sorry. Please, let's take her to Tibia.
Hey. have to take care of her while I go to the dibia myself and get some herbs. Keep massaging her waist. Come, do it here. Start doing it immediately.
She's beautiful. You're beautiful. Very beautiful.
I heard that. Your mother said you should massage my waist and not touch my face.
I am sorry for pushing you.
I forgive you, my lord.
What did you call me?
My lord. Soon you'll be caught up in this web of love. Maybe then you'll give me a name too.
Obirika, I came as soon as I heard it was urgent. What is it?
Honor, my daughter left this house this morning, and I don't know where she has gone to.
Have you sent somebody to her maternal home?
I have, and she's not there.
Could it be what I am thinking?
What?
You could have gone back to Ojugo.
Ojugo? I didn't believe it when she said she met Ojugo.
Let us go and see to ourselves.
Where do we go to? How do we find her?
When we get to her village, we ask people.
Okay.
Yes?
Brother, you're back.
Yes, I'm back, so she could drink this.
Get up.
Get up.
Sorry.
Oh, my waist.
Sorry, your manager. Sorry, my dear. You have to drink this now. You have to drink this. Yes, it will reduce the pain. Manage and drink it, my dear. Manage. Drink. More.
Drink so that you'll be fine.
Drink more, drink more.
Mother is okay. Okay.
Sorry, oh. Don't want.
You'll be fine, okay?
Sorry.
You'll be alright.
Yes.
Is that not Dikeh of Aku?
Yes, I am. Who are you?
I'm Ezana. And the man you gave some money 7 years ago when my keg of palm got broken.
I'm very sorry. I can't remember because I have given money to so many people.
Oh, okay. What do you seek in this land?
Yes, I have come in search of my dear daughter that told me a story about one Ojugo as she was coming to visit here. I don't know if there is another Ojugo or the very Ojugo she told me about that is a fortune teller.
Children, they always seek to do everything. The Ojugo I know in this kingdom died long ago. She is now history. We only tell story about her because of her famous nature.
I told you that Ojugo does not exist in this land. I told you that my daughter Honor has jilted her friend. She has gone away with that boy. I told you this.
Where can we find her house?
Her house could be found at the outskirts of this village. And needless for you going there because nobody lives there. Don't waste your energy and time in going there. You cannot find anybody there.
Anyway, thank you very much.
Okay, you are welcome.
Thank you very much.
Thank you. If not for your mood, I would ask you to follow me home so I can take some wine.
No, I am not in the mood right now.
Oh, you are not in the mood?
Thank you. Thank you very much. Thank you very much.
Okay.
Those drinks.
Okay, if you say so. If you say so.
Thank you very much.
Thank you. Okay, thank you. Go well as you go. Huh? Be careful.
I insist that we go for her house.
Look for whose house? A dead woman's house? Eh? We just have to go now. Please, let us.
You mean go home?
Yes, let us go. Anyway, I know what to do. Anywhere I find that boy, anywhere I find him, if I get hold of that boy, I am going to destroy him. In fact, and I am going to cut off his manhood. Honestly, let's go.
Okay.
No, let's go. Olumi.
Yes, my lord.
You have always been a very good maid. Do you know Honor's secret love affair?
No, my lord. I can swear with my life that Honor has not shown me any man as her lover. I can also swear that she's not in any affair with any man.
Shut up your mouth. Rubbish. You are talking rubbish. I now know that you are under her oath. But I tell you, you must tell me where she is and who she is with.
Believe me, my lord. I don't know where she has gone to.
Now, leave my presence immediately. Get out! Get out of my presence, quick!
Take it easy before you break the waist again.
Put your leg on the bed now.
Put my leg where? Eh? Put my leg where? You have to help me down. You want to... Obi! You want to scatter the waist you've broken already? What are you trying to do?
I want to lie down.
You want to lie down? On this small bed? This bed cannot contain you and I. Sleep on the floor.
Hey.
Sleep on the floor. Oh. You broke my waist. Now you want to come and lie down on this small bed. I won't be comfortable now. Stay on the floor.
I will wait. My heart will stay forever. I will wait. Crazy love, strange feeling. I will look at say, Memuna. I will watch a look. I will look at say, Memuna. I will watch a look. I will look at say, Memuna. I will watch a look. I will look at say, Memuna. I will watch a look.
William. Don't tell me you're still crying over that stupid boy.
Why has he not come to see me?
Because he is very irresponsible. Because he's very irresponsible. That is why you should stop crying. Lie down and sleep so that you don't disturb my own sleep.
Stop disturbing my sleep! Olema!
Your body is warm.
So how are you feeling now?
I feel a lot better today.
Okay. Let me bring your medicine.
I want to go home. My father will be worried by now.
Obi, how is she this morning?
I'm a lot better now. Thank you.
Thank be God. Obi, go and get her herbs. Go in and get it.
Wanda, she said she wants to go home.
You have to wash your mouth and face first. Then eat before you go. Obi, go. Go and get her water to wash. While I quickly prepare the meal. Fast. No? Go. I think I have to go and prepare the meal. Get water. Yes.
I'll see you off.
No, you will take me home. You were the one who broke my waist in the first place. I could have walked home comfortably, but I can't. I'm in pain.
Alright. I'll stop at the boundary.
You will take me home. As a matter of fact, you carry me on your back. I can't walk.
Obi Mere, why not take her home? You can stop and get some rest when you are tired. You know?
Alright,
My waist.
Mother, she's heavy.
I know. I trust you. I know you can do it. Try your best. You know what? You can go now.
I'm coming.
Greet your mother for me. No? Try your best.
I'm coming.
Oh.
So it is true. Another woman has been occupying you.
No, it's not what you think. I'm only helping her home.
You're helping her home and she's resting her whole body on you. She's even caressing your chest. I will not forgive you easily for this. I will not. What are you trying to do?
Ulima, wait. Sorry. Let me explain.
What are you trying to do? Obi, I don't want my leg to touch this ground. I was on my own and you came and broke my waist. Please take me home, Obi. You have to take me home. You have to take me home. Let's go. Obi, take me home. Father. Greetings, Father.
You have the guts to take my daughter to your house to sleep with her?
No, Father. Father, I can explain.
Shut up! What? Get!
Don't! He didn't even touch me!
Shut up your mouth! Shut up!
Touch me!
Get out! Go into your hut now! Out! I said... It's lucky I did not cut off his head or his manhood. Honor.
Father.
You disappointed me. You allowed that total stranger to take you home and took advantage of your entire body. And you have forgotten where you come from? No, you have forgotten the kind of person your father is.
Father, you have to hear me out first.
You shut up your mouth. Listen, and listen very good. I don't want to ever see you anywhere with that useless boy, or even in this compound. And from henceforth, never you step out of this house unless I tell you to do so.
Father!
Now get out of my presence. Get out of my presence here.
Hey! What sort of problem is this? Eh? Where could he be? Look at the weather. Hey! Ini Edo.
Udaku, you looked worried. What is it?
Yes, I am worried. I'm worried about Obi Mere, my son. He left for Anokpa since morning. I don't know what is keeping him.
What has he gone to Anokpa to do?
He took Honor back.
Who is Honor?
She is the daughter of Ogidiga.
I don't think I know him.
Nah, please, you have to follow me to Anokpa to look for him. Biko.
Oh, Udaku. You know they are doing their Choco masquerade ritual every day. We don't need to go there today. I will go there tomorrow.
Nah, I don't want anything to happen to my son.
Nothing will happen to your son.
Hell.
But let me ask you. Is he in any form in affection with the maiden in question? If he is, he must be in... They might be lavishing in bliss somewhere. Go home.
Yeah?
Go home. If he's not back until cock crow, I will go to Anokpa myself and look for him. Go.
Please. You have to eat your food. I can't stop thinking about him. I can't. I'm just worried. I fear if he's still alive or dead. He will be fine. Aluna, you can help me go look for him tomorrow and find out if he's still alive. Your father will just kill us. Aluna, you know you can help me without my father finding out. You know it. Please. I just want to know if he's still alive. That's all I ask.
Where's my son? Where's my son?
He's not home.
My son left with you. And you're here asking me whether he's not home. Where is he?
You mean he has not been back since yesterday?
Honor, my son left this house with you. Where is my son? Where is my son?
Oh no.
Huh?
Oh no. Oh no. Could it be? No.
Could it be what? Could it be what, Honor? Honor, where is my son? Eh?
What happened to my son? Hey! Hey! Timo! Timo! What happened to my son? Hey! 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 Whoa! Hey! Timo! Timo! Hey! 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 Ona, go and bring my son back! Go and bring my son back, Ona! Ona, where's my son? Where's my son? Hey! Hey! Hey!
Greetings.
Where is Ona?
She's still sleeping.
What do you mean she is still sleeping?
She slept very late.
And so? Ona!
My lord, I'll wake her up when I'm done cooking. She said she's feeling cold, so I had to cover her with clothes.
Ona. Yeah, Ona, get. Anyway. Ona, I know you can hear me clearly. I want you to get that useless boy, that stranger out of your mind. Because I will never forgive him. I am going to deal with him. In fact, be sure of that. You have to watch over her. Let me go and get some herbs for her.
Yes, my lord.
I don't want her to step out of this house. Do I make myself clear?
Yes, my lord.
What are you saying? That your father attacked him with a sword?
If my son is dead, tell me, so I can go and get his body. Tell me!
He left the house yesterday. I don't understand how he's not home yet. Don't.
I hope this is not happening.
Hey. Where is he going? Where are you going? You want to stop him? I cannot stop him. I want my son back. You have to stop him.
Boil it and let her drink it.
Okay. Thank you very much.
Thank you.
Daboma, greetings.
Ozeme and Dikeh. This one you brought firewood and water for me. Do you want anything?
Yes. We want you to tell us a story.
A story?
Yes.
Ozeme, it's too early to tell stories. It's too early. Ngwa, let's go. But I will not tell you a story today. Let's go.
Is she still asleep?
Yes, my lord.
Have this. Boil it and let her drink of it.
Yes, my lord.
Where's Ogidiga? Where's Ogidiga? Where's Ogidiga? Oh, Ogidiga, where did you keep my brother's son, Obimere? What happened to him? I am asking you.
Strangers don't come to my abode to bark like a dog. Your brother's son violated my daughter. I am not even done with him yet, and you are shouting, barking like a dog.
Is that why you killed him? Where did you bury him?
I don't know what you are talking about. I did not kill your brother's son. I did not bury him anywhere.
Go and ask those who know me too well. I will set your heart ablaze. If you do not, tell me what happened to my brother's son, Obimere.
Do it! Ngwa, do it. And I will set you ablaze. Hey, Mama. Eh?
Ogidiga, if you don't provide my brother's son, I will kill your daughter.
Honor! Honor! You can't... Get up, get up! Honor, get up. Honor! What? Alona! 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 Conspiracy. Conspiracy. So you lied to me. You lied to me? Where is Honor?
What?
Where? Go faster, Aunt. Cook those herbs fast.
Honor! You almost put me in trouble. What?
Where's Ogidiga? Where's Ogidiga? Come out! Where's he? Where's Ogidiga? Where's Ogidiga? Tell me, where can we find him now?
He violated my daughter.
Is that why you killed him?
You would have done worse than that if you were in my shoes. Or would you have clapped your hands for a man who took advantage and defied your dear daughter?
Father, no one took advantage of me or defiled me.
Shut up. Shut up!
Father, I fell down and broke my waist. Him and his mother took me in and took good care of me. Father, let's go and look for him.
What? Where do we find him?
Where? Let the copy, my good old friend.
Put it down.
Sit your sword.
Ask him to provide my brother's son now.
We will join hands together and search for him. I hope we will find him. Yes.
I will go home. But I will come back with our warriors. These things you call hearts, we will set them ablaze. We will give you war. We will kill you. Do what?
Get out of my compound now. Soria.
This whole thing is my fault. It's my fault.
Anna. Please stop crying. He will be found.
What if he dies? What if he dies?
Nothing will happen to him. I believe he's still alive. You just have to stop doing this to yourself. Please. Don't like seeing you like this. Please stop crying. Stop. Nothing will happen to him.
Have you come here again to insult us?
I need your help, please.
Go away. We cannot help you. I cannot help you.
No, you have to help me, please. You have to help me. If you don't help me, my father will be into lots of trouble.
Shh. Don't wake my mother. Go.
Please. Please. Where are you? Where are you?
I wonder why you are yet to open your eyes. Look at you, handsome and full of life. Did they not say that I would die without a man? The gods have proven them wrong. I now have a man of my own. Yes.
Nine. It's like there's nobody. Yeah, Boma. We have finished fetching the water for our mother. Yes.
Push, come.
Da, will you tell us the story of Omalize today?
No. I will tell you a story I have never told you before.
It's all my fault, Mother. Not your death. It's my fault. I will mourn you till the day I die, Mother.
Senap. Ora Galia. Etululu. Obalora. Osete. Adechena yetu tuleboji.
I have come to ask for a favor. A big one. And I'm willing to put my life on the line. Before you is the blood and the hair of the man I love so much. The blood and the hair of my mother. I want to unite with them in the afterlife.
Are you saying you want to die? And join them in the spirit world?
Yes. There, I will ask forgiveness.
And what happens to the seed of Obiasok that grows in you?
His seed truly grows in me?
You are carrying your mother in your womb. And if you die, she dies forever.
Then help me. I want to unite with them. Please.
The only way you can do that is to wait when they come back again.
I will wait for them.
What did you just say?
My love for Biasogu is unwavering. I will wait for him.
But there is a problem. Your mother might return soon, but it will take many years for Biasogu to return.
Echieteka, great one. I have heard stories of how your grandfather brought Ochongala back to life, made her younger than her mates and her offsprings. If your grandfather can do it, you too can do it. Please.
You are not Ochongala, and I am not my grandfather.
Ochongala was his concubine. I am not too ugly to be your concubine for one night. Please. What next?
Find a virgin boy. Lure him into your heart. Make him swim in your river of bliss overnight. With that, his life and the lives of all that are coming after him will be spread into you, and you will live forever.
That is all?
Have this. Spread this in your river of bliss before he swims in there.
Thank you. Echimere.
Greetings, Lord Judy.
How are you?
I'm well.
Hey. And you went to get firewood?
Yes.
I have this pain in my neck. Please, can you help me fetch water?
Let me quickly keep this at home. I'll come and get you some.
Thank you.
Sorry about your pain.
Gods of our land, do not punish me for this. You're back already?
Yes, Dad.
Oh, keep the water at the back of the house for me.
Okay. There's no water pot over there.
Hey, there isn't? Yes. Very well then. Bring it into my room. Oh. Waiting.
Let me fetch you one more.
Wait. Let me help you with that.
Thank you.
Ishmael.
Now, Jugo.
Sit down. I want to ask you a question. Draw closer. Draw closer. How are you?
I'm well.
You're sweating, right? Have you ever seen the river between a man's legs? Never. I want to show you. Would you like to see? Let me show you.
dead. You wanted him dead for loving me. You wanted him dead because you wanted Dubisi to marry me. But then why? Why? Why?